Today we studying about insert tab in MS Word. So what is use of insert tab? Insert tab is used for inserting any object from your computer system to your current presentation or current your work. So there is a different tabs or formatting options which are used by you, like page, table, illustration, link, header, footer, text, symbols. First we are start from page. Page, we can see this group contains three options. First is cover page, blank page and page break. Cover page. Cover page, from this we can select any page cover for your presentation, like this. And in this area we can uh, select objects to insert, like year. Okay, year 2020, September 8. Okay, author, you can change from here your text, like like this. And this is used for um, when you prepare any project, so you can uh, decorate your page by using this. And there is a different type of cover page, like you can select from here, like that. Okay, here you can type the document title, type your document subtitle, type your any text here. And this is used for when you are doing some project file, and it is used for define your project work. Okay. Okay, if you want to remove, there is other options. You remove current page cover page, and to show your current cover page is disappear, and your blank page comes. Blank page, when you click on blank page, it create a blank page like this. Okay, page break, it's split your page in two parts. See, one, two. Okay, which page you want to break, you can click here and this page is break. Okay, you can see. Okay, now comes to table. Come table, you can insert table, and then the table is used for uh, when you type your data or some other objects in well mannered organized form. So there are many options to create a table, like first insert table by from this. Okay, these are called columns and these are called rows. When you select your any column or any row, so this type of arrow symbol is appear, and you can uh, select row or column, like, and formatting on it. Okay, first there another also way to create a table, insert table. Okay, now insert table option, this. Now insert table, you can um, change or select a number of columns and number of row as your requirement, and click OK. And now this table is create. Okay, other way of create table, draw table. When you click draw table, a pencil, your mouse point pointer convert into pencil, and you can draw your table like that, and you can draw row and columns according to your requirement like that. Okay, the and click on blank space and your mouse pointer comes, and Excel spreadsheet, it open your Excel spreadsheet, MS Excel. Okay, now this is MS Excel sheet, and you can type your data in this, and this is cells, and these are columns, and these are rows. So you can click on cells and type any your data. Okay, uh, the last is quick table. Quick table, we can insert quick design tables as our requirement, and we can also change our data, like select may, this is designing table design, quick set design table, and select this is a, and sap, and you can change your uh, any data. Okay, so this is the some different way how to create table. Now illustration group, in this group we can insert picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart, screenshot, extra picture, click on picture, and picture library is open, and insert any picture from this is by selecting it. So it's select. Now this is object selected, so its formatting option is open, and we can change its formation, like remove background, correction, color, artistic effects, compress picture, is it uh, compress its size, some low resolution, and change picture, we can change other picture in replace of it like that. Reset picture, when we apply any effect on our picture like that, and by resetting it comes its previous position, and its a picture style. From this we can select our picture style like this. Picture border, you apply a picture border on your picture, you can apply it. Okay, picture effect, there's a different effect how to look your picture, shadow, your reflection, like that. These are reflections, you can see that. Picture layout, and this is the layout, this is smart art, which is provide the layout of your picture, like, so you can type it is uh, cartoon. Okay, and this is the layout, and you can uh, reverse your action, last action, so control Z plus press control Z. Okay, again position with text wrapping, this is the wrapping position, wrap text, this is used to move your picture in your document anywhere, like that. Okay, align, shift left, right, center, right, top, middle. Okay, crop, you can crop your picture like that, and like that, can crop it, and unnecessary part it's remove, necessary part we can take. Height and width, we can increase or decrease pictures height. Okay, so this is the insert group. Pick clip art, clip art, it is a clip art navigation part, and this is the clip art box in which we can find out a small pictures which you want. If you type here a particular picture, or otherwise click on go, and there is a different clip art is available, so you can select this clip art picture, and this is your when it is selected and its formatting options is open, and we can apply on it as our requirement. Okay, shapes, we can insert, any shapes as our requirement, like star, smiley, cloud, t. Okay, let's start this, and it's selected, and its formatting option open, and we can select different type of formatting from this. This is a shape style. Shape fill, if you know fill, okay. Shape outline, you can select outline. Shapes effect, you can effect any shapes, this. Okay, so when you want to apply any type of formatting, first of all you select your object. Okay, smart art, uh, first we'll take a new blank. Smart art, smart art, this option is used to mm, for processing system, as we can take example for input output process, like that. Okay, the input process output. Okay, so this smart art is used for uh, define some processing, so we can select this is a dimension, which type of dimension we want, 3 dimension, 2D dimension, we can change from it. This is the options, formatting options we can allow on it. Okay, chart, it is used for describe your data in graphical formation, so you can select any type of chart. There are different type of charts you can select, so like this or this we select. Okay, so it open first the excel sheet, and this is the data, and this is the chart, or we can select any type chart or design, or from here we can change our chart style. This is like 3D dimensional chart. Screenshot take a small capturing from your system, like first select screenshot, it take a screen clipping, okay. the, this is screenshot. We can uh, take a screenshot of from your desktop, and it insert on your page, and if when it's selected, then apply on it different type of options. Hyperlink, bookmark, cross reference, these are related to internet options. And hyperlink, it is used for jump or link one page to another page and quickly we jump on it. Bookmark, it is assign number of points or access point, uh, any object or project, and you can easily find it on providing link. Cross reference, it is refer different type of options to um, figure out your work. Header, footer, page number. Header and footer, these both options are used for applying top and bottom of the your documents, and there are different type of header and footer. You can select like this. We can select, or next footer, you can like select this. So you can see this is footer and this is header, or you can type your project name or document title, or yeah, this is the page number, this is footer. uh, this option use is mainly when different books or novels uh, published on press, so giving the particular page number or title, etc. So this header and footer option is apply. When this is selected, this is design tools open. So you can change from your header and footer alignment. If your header and footer is not display on your page, it is hidden by other object, so you can select from here header and footer options, and you can select and display uh, your header and footer like that. Okay, you can from here close your header and footer. Okay, this now this is apply on header and footer. When you work in same window and put another blank page in same project, then automatically header and footer is applied on it. If you want to uh, remove these header and footer, then click on header, and from here you remove header, and footer from remove footer. If you want to edit any, apply this. If you want to also edit your header, so click here and you can edit your header options. Like that, in footer same process is applied. Okay. Okay, page number. Page number, it is apply number in our document page as you want, as top of page, bottom of page, page margin, current position, format page number, or remove page number. Like we can take the page of top of page. Okay, now this is number is applied. This you can see this is uh, its design tool open. If you remove your page number, you can remove from it page number, bottom of page you want to apply, and this is this like that. Okay, this is applied, and again you want to remove, and remove page number. Okay, and close header and footer. Insert text box. When you type a text in a box, then this type of option is used. So you can select any theme. Otherwise, draw a text box, click and hold your mouse button, left mouse button, and draw a text box. Now you can type a text in this box, and you can uh, select this by this is rotate or format. You can also format in it like color or some any type of formatting. When you select any object in which you want to format, so after selecting, automatically its design drawing tool format option is open, and you can select any type of options to formatting on it. After the quick part auto text, document property, field, these building blocks organization, these are the other options which are apply as required over. Okay, and now word art. Word art is there is a different type of word art style which is used to your type text in design form. Like we select now, and in this box is written your text here, and you can type your text here. Okay, and this, and its format option is open, and you can type. You can also change from your format options. Select OK or OK, and you can change text field. So when you are working on your project or presentation, when you select your object, the automatically is drawing tool formats is open. Date and time, it insert current date and time of your system like that. Object, it insert any object from your systems. So this type of box is open, and you can see this. Select any type of uh, object, and you uh, insert yours like that. This is we select PowerPoint, so it's insert in it. Okay. Equation and symbols. Equation, we can insert a equation from this group, and this is used when we are doing science or math work to insert symbols or equations like this. Yeah, this. Okay, Or next and last is symbol. We can put any symbols in your document. Okay, you can put any symbols from this, like this pi. We select pi, so we can insert pi. So this is your insert group. You can practice on it at your home if you have computer system, and practice makes you perfect in your computer system. So keep keep watching, stay, be safe. Okay, bye.